Hey everybody, got a quick video. 2005 F-150 had to replace the turn signal. Just gonna undo this. It's just a Phillips, and that flap comes out. Just turn that little screw. That flap opens up, and you got two 10mm bolts you have to take out. One top, one bottom, and then on the top side, you're gonna have another 10mm and a little plastic tab. So get the 10mm socket, take that loose. And the tab I was telling you about is right there. It's inside of the hole. You have to lift that up, and you're gonna pull the whole thing off. And from there, you can access the back side of the lights. You can do the high beam, the turn signal, the headlight. In my case, the turn signal was not amber, so I failed inspection. So I just, break that free, pull it out, and replace it. See how the color was changing on it? Put the new one in, reinsert, give it a little twist. Replacing it is the reverse of taking it off. It's pretty easy. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.